Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent these really cool lights that you could put pretty much anywhere because, well, they actually can go anywhere because they're wireless lights. On full blast, these things will go for about 14 hours. If you have it on minimum setting, go for 20. They are rechargeable and so much more. They actually can plug into a USB just like this, and they can charge up. Doesn't take very long to do that. Goes to USB-C, and they provide you with those cords, which is great. To turn them on and off, you can simply push the button on the side and cycle through either warm light, cool light, however you want, or press and hold to dim. Or you can use the convenient remote. They provide you with two of those, and these remotes, one of them will work both of them here. You can actually turn them both on and do all the same features there. You can raise it up, lower it down, turn it on a timer, change the brightness, everything, and turn them off. But these lights are really cool for a couple of reasons. One, you can mount them using a sticky bracket that they provide. You can mount them using a angled bracket that sticks into the wall that will latch in underneath there like that, or a magnetic bracket, which I'm going to show you that I've already installed in my bedroom. But in addition to that, these lights are cool because they actually swivel. So once mounted on the wall, you actually can swivel them that way. You can swivel them this way, or you can remove some of them. So you can still work them even with just the one piece. So now if you've got a nightstand somewhere that you want to mount this down low and don't want to have the full thing, it can do that and still provide a really nice light. So let me go into the bedroom and I'll show you how these work. So here we are in the bedroom. Got my lights here. Simply got these plates mounted. I mean, it could not be easier as far as mounting the plates on there to just attach those. And now they're up there. I can swivel them. I can turn some of these to a different wall. If I wanted to maybe point them towards the corner, could remove one, could turn them. And then simply with the remote here, I could even turn them off, turn them back on. Let's kick off the lights so you can see how these look at night. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn these on. I've gone ahead and set this one to warm white here. Provides a nice warm glow over there. This one I've set to a cool white. Again, really nice feature that you can adjust these back and forth, or simply just remove one of those if you wanted to and just keep the one. You can simply turn them off and on using the remote. These would make a great addition to anyone's room.